Hey guys, it's Haley / HuRedhead, and I have Alicia here with me. And if you knew from my last video, my eyebrows are gone. You can obviously see. So we are gonna do Miii switch eyebrow tutorial. So let's just see how this goes.
So we're gonna start with the signature 6 dots.
And that's what I'm gonna look like. Exactly like that.
That's Haley.
That's me. Alright, let's do this.
Alright. Okay.
So I guess I'll just film myself. Sorry, I don't have a super steady hand.
Alright, so going from the Miii, oops, sorry, there, we're gonna go.
I almost wish I could, okay, right.
Straight up from
Sorry.
the eyelid.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let me just color this in a little bit. One of them's a little big. Oh god, what have I done? It's gorgeous. It looks great. It's... Oh. Yeah, made all out with a heart. Alright, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
So do we look like?
Now go stand over there.
Okay.
Let me. Alright, so here we have Haley with the Miii dotted eyebrows. The fun you can have when you have shaven your eyebrows off. With like all the Miii characters.
Next one?
Next one.
Next one. Okay. Okay.
Alright, so now we're gonna do the half circle.
The half circle.
Her face is all fresh and clean. So
We're ready for the next ones. Okay. Ready?
Go. Go.
Go.
Right.
This is very professional, I know. This is amazing. I fucking love these guys. I love the other ones. I legit love the other ones. That's what I get? What do you think of that?
This is Chris, by the way. The guy in the background.
This fox boy.
He makes a lot of food.
It's meal prep. What do you gotta do when you get out of school?
You gotta go to
School.
school.
School? School? School and swole?
Cool. What do you like? Do you like this one?
Does it look like the picture?
You've got a little bit more, what do you call it, pointed ends than a constant unibrow.
There's not a unibrow. Did you make me have a unibrow?
No.
Unibrow is like...
Yeah,
Let me see.
Wait, that's a good start. It's like a fucking rainbow. I'm sorry, keep going. Did you make me rainbow eyebrows?
No, you look at that.
Okay. I don't know. Am I good?
No, you're not done.
Okay.
Okay, now I just gotta fill it in.
Ta-da! Comparison time. I'm just gonna go do this. Juju.
Just wait till you see it.
I'm scared a little bit. Okay, this one I'll bring the camera with me.
It's probably one of your most favorite, beloved fears.
Alright. Oh my god! Mmm. This is a little different, whatever, you know. A little different. I could do it. I pull it up. I'm kidding. Alright guys, final brow. Let's do it. By the way, if you're gonna do this, do it with a dry erase marker because it comes off really easy. I don't know if it's good for your skin,
And
but
it's low odor, the
Oh.
fine tip.
yeah, I actually didn't smell the odor of that.
There you go.
Alright, okay, cool. Alright. Let's do this. Is that falling? Alright, it's falling. Sorry.
Let your hands don't stick. Sounds like we're gonna tight your... Make sure those starter lines line up. Well, no, make sure it's like, oh yeah, they don't fucking go high, man. So it's a little down. Oh, and then it goes. Yeah, okay, and now let me just fill them in. Okay, fill in time.
Oh, Chris is done his cooking.
I'm just gonna
Well done. Chris has a cooking show going in the back.
Only took 2 hours.
Yeah, it took a long time. Oh, sorry. Is that it? Nope.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get.
I'm impressed. I think I've got myself breakfast and dinner for the next week.
Nice.
Just on this casserole.
Oh, are they bad? Holy!
Go enjoy.
Would you
enjoy.
date someone with these? Yes. What a dick. You wouldn't date someone with these eyebrows. Oh my god. I know.
So, would you date?
Would I date someone with these eyebrows? You know what? It's what's inside that counts, right? So with all the eyebrows, I would definitely go with the first one, and I think I might like go out with my eyebrows like that one day, because why the fuck not anymore? Do I give advice to shave off your eyebrows? No, do it once. Do it once. You could do whatever the fuck you want with them. That's kind of the point.
Basically, remember on how you said that what on the inside counts?
Yes.
If eyes are the portal to the soul, then I can't see that because that's just far too distracting. I'm just constantly
That went
looking
mystical to you're a dick. No. All right. Bye.